everyone, and welcome back to Kelly's Closet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I styled my Valentine's Day tiered tray and how to create a few of the pieces I used. Let's go ahead and get started. Right now I'm going to show you how to make one of these cute little milkshakes. The supplies you'll need are a small plastic Parfait cup, similar to this one I got from the Dollar Tree, and a container of lightweight spackling. For the ice cream scoop on top, I used a fake snowball I got in a pack of 12 from Big Lots over Christmas. Since my milkshake is strawberry, I'm using pink paint, and I also found these cute chevron printed straws. Additional supplies you'll need are one Ziploc sandwich bag, hot glue, and paintbrushes. Step 1. Paint the inside of your Parfait cup and let it dry completely. Step 2. Paint your fake snowball the same color and let it dry completely. Just to be on the safe side, I would wait at least 24 hours. When everything is dry, place your ice cream snowball on top of your cup so that it looks like a scoop of ice cream peeking out of the top. I would also secure it with a bead of hot glue around the rim. Let's make some whipped cream. Add a tiny bit of water to the spackling to loosen it up. You wanted the consistency of thick whipping cream. Next, cut a bit of one of the bottom corners of your Ziploc bag, and with a spoon, fill the bag with the spackling. I would use a plastic spoon, or one that you don't really care to use anymore. I thought I had footage showing this process step by step, but I don't. I guess I lost it. Step 5. Using the Ziploc bag as a piping bag, pipe the spackling around the rim of the cup and to make a swirl on top. Add 1 or 2 of your red beads to be the cherry on top and pop in your straw. Well, we made a milkshake. Now let's make a cupcake. I used this heart-shaped silicone cup from where else? The Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 3. The other 2 are pink. You can use more spackling to fill the silicone heart, but I was afraid I would run out, so I used paper and filled the heart to just below the rim. I used my Ziploc piping bag to put more spackling on the top so that it looked like frosting. Then I added these pink sprinkles and 2 pink hearts for decoration. I found these ceramic garden gnomes at Dollar Tree. I painted this one to match my tray theme. For the gray in his beard, I used a silver chalk pen. The last item I want to show you, even though there are some additional items on the tray, is this wooden love stand. I painted the base in Waverly's chalk paint in scarlet. The letters I painted pink and then used white to add the stitching. And here is the tray put together. I really like how this sweet little tray turned out. Once I decided how to place everything, I added some coordinating silk flowers and crinkled paper strips to fill in the blanks. Let me know in the comments below which item is your favorite. Which one would you make for your tray? Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. While you're there, also hit the subscribe button. It's free for you and it really means a lot to me. If you ring the bell, that lets YouTube know to notify you every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautifully wonderful Valentine's Day, however you choose to celebrate it. Until next time.